Hi friends, are you worried how to fix this automatic repair and you have tried so many solutions but still problem doesn't fix? Then after come and join with me and I will teach you how to fix this problem with 100% solution. This is the last and 100% work solution. You must follow steps, and for these methods you must have one minimum 8 GB pen drive and one working computer. Okay, let's jump to the lesson. First you need to go to the working PC, then after open the Chrome and there type Rufus on the search bar and hit enter and click on the Rufus. Okay, click on Rufus, then after scroll down and you can find out there Rufus 4.6.exe file. Click that file and just start to download it. Then after you have to download the ISO file of Windows 10 or 11. Okay, and I'm going to here download first Windows 10, and you must have download this Windows file. Then after download this, reach Windows 10 installation media and hit the download button, and creation media tool has been downloaded here. Then open it and right click and run as administrator. Okay, then after click the S button and it's getting ready. It takes about 1 hour to download the ISO file. Okay, here you have to choose the second option, create installation media flash drive, DVD drive. Okay, then after choose the next button. Then after you have to choose there the Windows 10. Okay, so with the language I'm going to choose here United States, and you can download 64 and 32-bit or you can download both also. Okay, I'm going to download here 64-bit only. Then after click next, then after you can find out their USB pen drive, or I choose the ISO file and click the next button. Then after save it. Okay, one location, and it starting downloading. Okay, and it takes much time. Okay, about 1.5 hours, so that you can download Windows 11 ISO file also. Okay, after download it, now go to download and open the Rufus tool. Then after choose ISO file from your download. Okay, here I have selected GPT partition scheme. If not supported GPT, then after you can switch to the MBR. Okay, there you can find out the partition scheme also. After complete this process, then after reject this pen drive and insert that pen drive where you are facing the problem of startup repair. Now press the power button, then after press delete or F12 key to access the boot menu. Okay, there may be the escape, F12, delete or F11 button according to your brand laptop or computer. I have here Dell laptop and its boot key is F12 or Dell key. Okay, then after I can access to the Dell key, and here you can find out the USB, SolEdit USB partition 1. I'm going to select it and hit the button. Then after I'm going to choose here Windows 10 64-bit. Okay, it's loading. Hit the next button and hit the install now. Then after select I don't have product key and select Windows 10 Pro and next button. and accept license terms, and next, and custom installation. Press Shift plus F10 or Shift Fn plus F10 key to access the command prompt. Then after type there notepad and open the file tab, then open it and go to this PC. Here we are here to check which one is the C drive, and we are going to copy the file of the C drive and storing to the other drive, okay, for our safety. And go to the users, and you can find out my users, and the desktop you can find out there may be your important document. Just copy that folder and paste to the next drive, okay, and that may be the secure drive. Okay, this PC. Then after I can right click and rename that OS, okay, that like this, and cancel it. Okay, first cancel button, close this. Then after here you have to press refresh, and you can find out there we have refreshed, rename that folder, okay, and format to the format, and after hit the next button. Then now it is started loading the OS in a drive, okay. It may take about 30 minutes if you have SSD or M.2 SSD, okay. It will be very fast, otherwise it will take about 1.5 hours to set up this whole process, okay. Here is complete guide, and follow the guides and the problem will be 100% fixed.